What's up guys, Stacy here, and right now I am building an XLPower Spectre 700 Ultimate Nitro kit. And XL included the new two-piece tapered dampener set with my kit, and I just wanted to show them to you because I think it's pretty cool. So typically in the kit you will get these dampeners right here. It's a palm dampener with a rubber O-ring, and what you might notice is that these are a pretty tight press fit into the rotor head. You might have to use different shims to get the same feeling every time. They'll wear out, they'll change with temperature. That's really not a problem anymore with this new two-piece design. So it is tapered, so they only go in one way, but this part will go in the rotor head, this part slides into the dampener itself, and then the spindle goes through. So now, instead of temperature and time and all that affecting the preload, you can just change the shims to get the feeling that you want. So with this dampener setup, you can get a fully rigid rotor head, and it's a lot crisper, a lot more responsive in the air. MCK and Kenny Co have been flying it for a while with really good results, so I am super stoked to get these installed and see what they do. So here is the rotor head itself. You will see, as I showed you earlier, they are a two-piece design. They only go in one way, so if I try and do it the wrong way, they don't go in. They only go in one way. So we will take the thicker side here and slide it into the head block until it stops. Do the same on the other side, like so. Now we can take the inner piece, which is tapered, so it will only go in one way. If I try and put it in the wrong way, it just won't go. But put it in the right way, slides right in. Same with the opposite side, like so. Take the spindle, slide it through. Super easy to assemble. Just pops together just like that. It's a really perfect tolerance fit. The spindle has zero play whatsoever in the head block, and then now I can use these small little 0.1 millimeter shims to get the preload and the feeling that I want. So looking forward to seeing how these do to stand the test of time. I think it's a really cool idea. Shout out to XLPower for trying some different stuff and always innovating. So thanks for watching, and I will report back after we get some flights on these things.